Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll do numbers in German. This is part 2 from 20 to 100. The part 1 from 0 to 20 has already been published. Now with numbers from 20 to 100, a similar pattern is followed. The number at the ones place comes before and the multiple of 10 comes after. As here you can see, eins comes first and 20 comes after. We also write und between the number at the ones place and the multiple of 10. Und means and in English. So here we have ein und 20, which is 21 in English. Please know that whenever eins is combined with a multiple of 10, it loses its s in the end. So it's ein und 20 and not eins und 20. So similarly, we have 22, which is 22 in German. 23, which is 23 in German. 24, it is 24 in German. Following the similar pattern, we have 25, which is 25 in German. 26, it is 26 in German. 27, it is 27 in German. 28, it is 28 in German. 29, it is 29 in German. 30, it is 30 in German. Now just like from 21 to 29, the numbers go on from 31 to 39. So now we'll just do the multiples of 10. 40, it is 40 in German. 50, it is 50 in German. 60, it is 60 in German. Now here also you should note that the s in sechs goes away. 70, now here also the en in sieben goes away. 80, it is 80 in German. 90, it is 90 in German. Now please note all the multiples of 10 have the same ending except for 30. Now finally we have 100, it is 100 in German. Now here we have some important points to note. First one, that with numbers over 20, the single digit comes first and then the multiple of 10. The number eins loses the s in the end when it is combined with the multiple of 10. There is an und between the single digit and the multiple of 10. Und means and in German. Übung. Now we'll practice some numbers from 20 to 100. Now some numbers will be displayed on the screen and you'll guess how we'll write them in German. This one was 47. Yes, this one was 53. 65. This one was a tricky one. This is 77. 84. 91. It is not 91, it is 91. So this is it for today. You should watch this video again and again to practice more. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.